and this is your guide to cooking with little cleanups. Today we will be making honey toast. It has 2 ingredients. Bread, preferably white hamburger buns. Those make the tastiest honey toast. And honey, also a plate. But we'll get to that later. Okay, so first, one second, let me move the camera.
You want to move the camera?
She's got it.
So, that was my parents there in the, I was just moving the step stool. I'm kind of short.
I wonder, should we just start here?
So this, is our toaster. My mom just cleaned it out. So, you take the bread. You can make it naked, but I'm putting it on this tray. You put it into your toaster. If you have a toaster that does time, set it on 1 minute because you don't need to toast it for long. If you toast it for too long, like I did once by accident, it does not go well. So, we turn the toaster on and then you set it to the setting it goes. It's toasting now. So the best honey to use is fresh honey, the Good and Gather cloves honey. It's clover honey. It's pure and it's so delicious. You can also use the teddy bear honey. Those are my favorite kinds of honey. And so also we can also use different kinds of honey, but those 2 are my favorites. While you are when you take it out, oh, 1 second, I need to get something to take it out, it's too hot. Nothing metal, because metal is a conductor of electricity, and I'm kind of scared of that. And so I'm using an Expo marker apparently now. Is this hot? Ow, that burns. Okay, so that was hot.
Why did you want to use a fork? Just grab it with a fork?
Yeah. My mom suggested I'd use a fork. 1 second, people. I'm back with a big fork. It's the only fork I could find. Mommy, it's kind of hard to get this out.
Do you want to just grab it with there and we'll put it on a plate?
Okay. My mom's getting a plate. After all, you can't run this alone. This is my special bunny plate. This is Special Light, my bunny, and White Wing, the butterfly. My grandma brought it to me. Now for the honey. For the designs, I've made a design of honey toast on honey toast, a heart, and I've made it just covered in there. I've also made a smiley face. So far, my signature move is either the heart or the smiley face. You can also do a blob, but my favorite is the heart. Boing, boing, doing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ding! And there we have it. Yummy honey toast with the honey and the heart. Yay! Okay, so, 1 second, let me get that. Oof, 1 second. Sorry about that. How do you get this out? Oh, okay. So now, this honey toast is for my sister, who will obviously enjoy it. She doesn't like the Christmas much.
Oh, Silly's making a video too.
My sister's making a video too. Sid, you honey toast. Apparently she's not too happy. Sid, I was in the middle of the video. Oh boy.
I'm happy to do a
okay.
taste test if you need someone to do a
now
taste
my
test.
mom's gonna do a taste test.
Oh, let me get some with the honey.
The honey.
Mmm. So fabulous. It's so delicious. Oh, I love it.
Hey! And that is my cooking video. Mommy, can you go out? Bye.